From Seed to Plant by Amy Tao. Seeds come in all kinds of shapes and sizes. Their outsides look different, but inside every seed lies a baby plant waiting to grow. Hi, I'm Click. I wonder what kinds of seeds these are. Water in the soil softens the hard coat that covers this pumpkin seed. A little white root pushes through the seed coat and grows down into the soil. More roots will grow from the first root. They'll spread through the soil and hold the plant in the ground. Wow, I'm going to plant myself right here and watch the pumpkin grow. A small stem pokes up out of the soil, looking for light. Two small leaves break out of the seed coat. These leaves formed inside the seed. They supply food from the seed to the baby plant. Now the plant has its first true leaf. True leaves use sunlight, air, and water to make food for the plant. You can still see the seed leaves, but soon they will fall off like the seed coat. The plant doesn't need them anymore. The plant grows larger and larger. Buds appear and flowers bloom. Wind and insects carry yellow powder called pollen from one pumpkin flower to another. Inside the flowers, new pumpkin seeds form. This flower would be perfect for my garden. The flower wilts, and fruit grows around the seeds. Fruits can grow big like a watermelon or small like a cherry, soft like a tomato or hard like a walnut. Pumpkins start out green, small and green. You can tell this pumpkin is ripe because it has turned orange. Now it can be picked for pumpkin pie or a jack-o'-lantern. The seeds inside can be dried, roasted, and eaten. Or they can be planted next year to grow more pumpkins. Which would you like to do? Roasted pumpkin seeds? Yum! The end.